Hey guys, in the last couple of videos where I said I would give you guys loads of stickers and a few t-shirts, well, loads of you have emailed in and your stickers are on its way to you. So we have actually quite a big range of viewers from across the world. We have, for example, we have Sri Lanka, Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, USA, Australia again, and the list goes on. Of course, we have loads of UK viewers as well. Your stickers are on its way, and for the lucky few, your t-shirts are already in the post. Now, you guys can most probably tell from the car that I'm sitting in, I'm not in the S2000, neither am I in the MR2, but I am in the Type R. I'm in my FD2, I've finally given it a clean, which you guys can most probably see here. And it's been forever since I've driven this car. I literally drove it down the road for about 10 minutes and I can tell you that I have missed it so much. So hopefully we'll get a few videos of this car sometime soon. Whilst we are on the subject of the freebies, when you guys receive your stickers or your t-shirts, just do me one favor, stick it onto your car or wherever you're gonna pull it, take a photo of it and tag us in the Instagram, which I'll leave somewhere below there. Of course, in my latest Instagram post, you guys can see that I've just purchased an S2000. So here is that S2000. So from the passenger side, apart from the front bumper, if you guys look at that, it looks more or less perfect. But let me walk around to the other side. Of course, the EK9 is still sitting here. Number plates have arrived, which I will get to in a second. But have a look at this side. Oh my god. Yep, this happened. So brief story, this is a 2004 S2000. The previous owner literally just put on an exhaust, took it out for a drive, and I think because he was so overexcited about the sound, he spun out and hit a curb. So we'll take a look at the front wheel first. Have a look at the brake disc. It actually snapped off upon impact. Look at that, it's actually loose at the moment. Yeah, it's definitely loose, so that's no good. The front fender, oh gosh, that's broken off somewhere there inside. And the back wheel as well. Oh, it doesn't look too good, does it? Something's definitely broken there. And well, this is the exhaust that the previous owner put on. It is a Super Street, and I can tell you guys, this is really loud. When I do my next video showing more about this car and when we start stripping it for parts, of course I'll let you guys hear that as well. Now, the reason why I purchased this car is because I wanted the engine. If you guys remember last year, I was in my yellow S2000, the JDM1 at Snetterton. That engine blew, so we are literally going to take that out and put it in the other car. So before we start breaking the S2000, I do have a few videos coming up which I will show you guys first before we start playing with that. So this week we are heading over to London XL for the London Motor Show. That will be pretty awesome. We've been going every year since it opened recently, and I also bought some wrap for the MR2 because at the moment the car is white, the roof is silver and it's just looking wrong. I also got a couple of secrets for you guys, which one of them is actually hiding underneath that cover. Not going to show too much. And of course the number plate for the EK9. So do bear with me whilst we get these all filmed up and edited, and also I've got to find the time for this as well. So hopefully I will see you guys soon, if not at the London Motor Show.